What if learning English was not boring anymore?
What if every mistake helped you sound more fluent?
In business, leaders grow by learning from mistakes.
And in English, fluent speakers grow the same way.
This is not just an English lesson.
It's real conversation, real mistakes, and real improvement.
Learn English the smart way.
Welcome to Quiet English Stories podcast.
Welcome back to Quiet English Stories podcast.
Today, we're learning one of the most important skills in English.
Yes or no questions.
Honestly, this grammar rule causes me more problems than almost any other rule.
You're not alone. Millions of English learners struggle with yes or no questions.
Sometimes I know the vocabulary, sometimes I know the grammar, but when I ask a question, everything becomes confusing.
That's because English questions follow special patterns. Today, we're going to fix the most common mistakes learners make.
Yesterday, I asked someone, "You like coffee?"
That's one of the most common mistakes in English.
Really?
Yes, many learners simply take a statement and raise their voice, but English usually needs a helping verb. The correct question is, do you like coffee?
Why can't I say, "You like coffee"?
In very informal spoken English, native speakers sometimes do, but learners should first master the correct structure. Do you like coffee?
Then why do people say, "Are you tired"? Why don't we say, "Do you tired"?
Excellent question. This is where learners get confused. There are actually two different systems. System 1, verb to be questions. Examples, are you tired? Is she happy? Am I late? System 2, do or does questions. Examples, do you work here? Does she live in Chicago? Do they play soccer?
So there are two question families?
Exactly, and learners often mix them together.
Let me try. Does she happy?
Very common mistake. The correct sentence is she happy?
Why?
Because happy is an adjective. There is no action verb. When there is no action verb, we use the verb to be.
What about, "Is she work here"?
Another classic mistake. The correct question is, does she work here?
Why?
Because work is an action verb. Whenever the main verb is an action verb, we usually use do or does. Here's the easiest way to think about it. Ask yourself, is there a form of be? Examples, happy, tired, busy, hungry, ready. Use am, is, and are. Is there an action? Examples, work, live, study, play, drive. Use do or does.
That's much easier than memorizing hundreds of examples.
Exactly.
Yesterday, I wrote, "Does she works here?"
This mistake is everywhere. Let's fix it forever. Wrong question. Does she works here? Correct. Does she work here?
Why does the S disappear?
Because does is already carrying the grammar. The main verb returns to its base form. Correct examples, does he work here? Does she live in New York? Does your brother study English?
How do native speakers answer yes or no questions?
Usually with short answers. Examples, do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Is she tired? Yes, she is. Or no, she isn't.
I hear this every day.
Because it sounds natural.
Before we finish today's episode, we want to share something important with you.
Many English learners think grammar is difficult, confusing, or even boring.
But grammar is not a list of rules to memorize. It is a tool that helps you communicate clearly and confidently.
In this series, we are learning grammar through real conversations, real situations, and real life in the United States.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward fluency.
When I started learning English, I made many grammar mistakes. I still learn something new every day.
The secret is simple. Learn a little, practice a little, and stay consistent.
Listen to each chapter more than once. Repeat the sentences out loud.
Before you go, take a few minutes to review today's vocabulary.
Read the meanings, repeat the words aloud, and practice the examples.
Then try using the new words in your own sentences.
Remember, vocabulary grows one word at a time.
Keep practicing and using English every day. Every English sentence you learn today is building your future tomorrow.
Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you are improving.
Keep listening, keep practicing, keep growing.
One day, English will feel natural to you.
Thank you for learning with Quiet English Stories.
And we'll see you in the next episode.